I created 1,000 high-quality videos without faces on YouTube within an hour. Content creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram make a substantial amount of money simply by sharing brief videos. In this video, I'll show you how to make not 100 shorts per hour, not 500, but 1,000 shorts per hour. Observe the amount of money this blogger earns on his YouTube channel. A minimum of $253,000 per month, and he releases a short video. Also check out these YouTube channels. I would also like to earn so much money. Put a like if you do too. We will have more opportunities to earn a higher amount than anyone else if we create high quality content. So I made 1,000 shorts in 1 hour, and you can do the same if you just copy what I did. In this video, you'll see how I made this video in just 10 seconds, and you can repeat it. I will make a video on the topic of simple sports questions. The reason I choose simple questions is that they are the most popular. You can do it in any niche, for example, cooking, dancing, TV shows, whatever you do. This is what our videos will look like. We will have a question, answers, and a timer. When the timer goes off, the correct answer will appear. This is how we will build our video. The timer is used to focus attention, so people continue to think. They're like, oh, the timer's running, I need to find the right answer faster. The GPT chat generates Q's, A's, and correct answers for us. If the GPT chat is not working in your country, then go to my Telegram channel. There is an instruction on how to bypass this ban. Link to the Telegram channel in the description. Make sure you always warm up the GPT chat with a great greeting. So in the GPT chat, I wrote that I deal with simple sports questions. I need 100 different cases of one sports question with 4 possible answer options and 1 correct answer. Please adhere to this table format, write it below, and then enter it in this format. In my case, I explicitly mentioned that this is not the table format I need. Consequently, I received the outcome. This is perfect. All you need to do now is copy. But if you want to do something simpler because you will have to copy each line, that will annoy you very much. Just use the code. I will show you how to do it. It's very easy. And so I asked the same question and just said, format it into a CSV file. What is a CSV file? This is Excel. Just think about it in this manner. He simply formats it into this format. You only need to make a copy of this and then load it into Visual Studio Code. This program is completely free of cost. The link to this program can be found in my Telegram channel. When you open Visual Studio Code, it will display this. Your objective is merely to make a folder on the desktop. After you create a folder, open it in the program. If this does not make sense to you, simply skip this part of the method. I just want to tell you about it because it's much easier. If you want me to shoot a video on how to make 100,000 shorts in 1 HR with minimal code usage, if you're impressed by the amount of AI, then give it a like. So all you need to do this, click on this small folder and this will appear. Call it whatever you want and put a CSV dot. Once you do, make it, this will be your new file, and then just paste what you wrote to us. Chat, GPT copy and paste. Afterwards, press Ctrl+S to save this file. After that, access your folder. My folder is located on the desktop and it is called org. I will open this folder and open this file. Look at this, she literally formatted. I am able to simply and automatically format this. Not even for this. You need to buy Excel. It's free. This is a CSV file. Everything is perfectly formatted. Yes, I did. There is a program that automates everything. Once again, if you want to see this program, then I'll show you without any problems. Next, you need visit Canvas website. If in your land, neither does. Canvas, join my Telegram channel. There's an instruction on how to bypass this restriction. It'll work for you without any problems. When you go to the Canvas website, type YouTube Shorts in the search.
On this page,
templates have become available. Choose any template and delete all associated materials. We do not require them. Following that, proceed to the Elements section and conduct a search for motion backgrounds. Afterward, locate the video section and click on Watch All. Subsequently, you will have the capability to utilize any video of your choice. I possess a paid edition of the Canvas. You might not possess it, but have faith in me, it is worthwhile to acquire. So if you are serious about it, I suggest you do it. The subsequent step I will demonstrate to you is the background. We click to watch all the videos. I will choose this background. I will also shorten this video to a maximum of 15 seconds. Now our task is to copy what I did before. And let's start with our question, answers, and then ours. Let's proceed to our question. Navigate to the text, click on Add Heading and write a question. You can choose absolutely any font you like. I will choose this font. I will also include animation to it. To include animation, you need to click here and you can select any animation you prefer. I'll choose this. I also want to add a background for the text so that people can see it better. To add a background, click on Effects, then click on Background and choose any color. I will choose yellow. Next, we need to write the answers. Create a new text, write one, choose a different font, also add animation. I'll pick the fade animation. I'll also add a background for the text. Then copy this text 3 times and arrange the answers correctly. You can do it like me, there's nothing hard. Change the numbers, 2, 3, 4, ready to go. At present, we have obtained answers to the question. We are in need of watches. Please go to the elements and write a timer. I will select this one, I will shorten it a little, make it bigger and position it here. This is what it looks like at the moment. If we look at our example, you will see that there is a question, answer options, and a timer here. Before the timer reaches 0, it will display the numbers 4, 3, 2, 1, indicating the countdown is about to end. And now look at the answer options. They disappear and then the correct answer appears. This is called time frames, and that's exactly what we're going to do now. Please pay attention. Make sure to hold down the Shift key while selecting our answers. After that, click on the 3 dots and then click on Show Timing option. A slider emerges at the bottom. Drag it to the 10th second. Get ready for action. Let's see what we got. The video is playing and on the 10th second our answers disappear. Super! Let's perform the same action with the timer. Click on the timer, click on the 3 dots, click on Show Timing and drag this slider to the 10th second. That's great! Now our task is to write the correct answer. Add text, write a response. Choose a font that you like, I'll choose this one. Also add animation and I will add a green background. Click here and choose the green color. After that, click on our response once again for further assistance. Click on the 3 dots, then select Show Timing. After that, set this slider to start at the 10th second of the video. This is important. Now our video is ready, let's watch it right now. Our question appears, answer options, and when the timer runs out, the correct answer appears. Super! And now we will deal with the most important, mass production. So go to the section of the application, then find mass production, it is right here. Click on it and here we can upload a CSV file. If you haven't made a CSV file, just click on this button here, a table will appear. Your task is just to copy what ChatGPT wrote and paste it here, but since I made a CSV file, I just uploaded it. I click on the Upload CSV file, choose my folder and select this file. Then I press Open. Boom, take a look at this. We have a question, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and the answer. Can you believe it? Now we need to combine all this data. Let's start with a question. Click on the question, click on the 3 dots, select Connect Data and go to the question. Great, now we need to do the same but with the answers. Let's start with the first one. Press More, connect the data and select the first option. Furthermore, kindly perform the same action with the second one. Third and fourth inquiries or queries. It's very easy. Now let's move on to the answer. Click on the answer, click on the 3 dots, click on Connect Data and choose the answer option. Ready! Everything is connected. Now our task is simply to generate it. Press the Bull Create and click on this button. Look, we already have 10 videos. Now we need to make shorts. Click Share to proceed. Download and pick all options, pages, and then you can download. As separate ones, files. Click the download button. Ready? After you download these files, you're done. Create your own YouTube channel and upload your videos on it. Plan their publication. You can upload up to 10 vids daily, but I wouldn't suggest it. You can do me. Inquire, why did you do it? Only 10 videos? You said you would do 1,000? I did 10. Vid for X. The essence lies in the scheme with this light. You can create any number of videos, 100, 200, 300, it doesn't matter. Well, this is also my job. You were supposed to click on this video. And currently remain on the channel and observe other videos. See you in the subsequent video.